Hi guys, today's our topic is voice. So voice is a form of verb, we can say. It shows whether the subject does something or something has done to it. That means we have two types of voice. In active voice, subject represents doer. That means subject is going to do something. But in passive voice, something done to the subject. That means something is being done to the subject in case of passive voice. So for active and passive voice, you should know four steps. What are the four steps? First thing is you have to swap subject into object and object into subject. That is your first step. So example I have taken here, I play cricket. So before going for the example, one more thing we have to remember here, I, he, she, we, they. If these words are given as a subject, when it becomes object, they will change into me, him, her, us, them. Like I become me, he become him, she become her, we become us, they become them. And opposite will happen. That is vice versa. When subject, this object becomes subject, it will be opposite. Them becomes they, us become we, her become she, him become he, me become I. So that we have to remember. So five things you have to remember. If other things are given, like children is given, children remain, name is given, name remains as it is. So they will remain as it is, no need to change them. But these five you have to remember, they have to be changed into subject into object or object into subject depending upon the sentence here. So I have taken here, so it will change it into me. So first step, we have changed cricket, object it became subject here, I we have changed it into me. Second step is very important here. The most important thing we have to remember, it depends on what we have taken here. We have taken play here. So play is nothing but it depends on verb, we can say. So V1, V2 or V3. What is given here? So here it is given V1. If V1 is given, we have to add is MR before the main verb. Main verb is play. So is MR should be added here. If suppose V2 is given, then was or were should be added. If V1 is given, is MR should be your helping verb. If V2 is given, was or were. If has, have is given, it will be with V3. So has, have, had is given, then you will add been. Is MR, was, were already given in the sentence, then we will add being here. If will is given, we have to add be here. So you can see here, we have taken example cricket. So cricket and V1 is play. That's why we have used here is. Is, we didn't use are or am because here singular subject is given is. Then third step is nothing but we are changing V1, V2 into V3. If V3 is there, no need to change it, is V3 only. So cricket is played. Why we have written played? Because play V3 form is played. Even though V2 is also played, here V3 is also played. So cricket is played me. Something is missing here, that is your fourth step. We have to add by before the object. So by is added before the object. In some cases if we don't add also, no problem. But here it is compulsory. Cricket is played by me. Then the helping verb, we have started second part of our this one. Second part, we have to go for the table here. The table shows there are actually 12 tenses, but we have used only 8 because 4 tenses active to passive we cannot convert. So here we can see present tense is given. Here V1 will be there, as we have seen in the previous example. I play. Play is V1. It can be do, does, writes. I have taken here do, does. So I have taken example writes. It can be write or writes depending upon the subject. So what we have to do, we have to add helping verb, that is MR, because V1 is given, is MR should be taken, and always it will be V3 followed by V3. But in continuous tense, ing will be given. Already is MR is given here. So when is MR is given, what we have to do? Always remember, we have to add something in the passive voice depending upon what is given here. So if it is not given, V1 is there, is MR. If it is MR is given, then being should be added. And V3, already we know V3 is written only. Then has or have, if it is given, then it will be V3. Has and have always will be with V3. So being should be added. So here has or have, being should be added to that one. Then Same way, past tense if you take, instead of V1, here it will be V2. So helping verb will change. Why? Because here it is past tense. What will be the helping verb? Was or were. Was and were, was or were should be added here depending upon the subject. If was or were is given, like is, am, are is given, here was or were is given, you have to add being. Same like present tense only. Had is given, like has, have, V3 already there, been should be added. Same way, have been, has been, had been. Now for future tense, will, and it will be followed by V1. Same like here, it will be followed by V1. So we have to add be here. Will be. So be is added here. Already will have already you know, been should be added. So been is added here. So will have, be. Let us take one by one all the 8 tenses from active to passive or passive to active. If you see here, it is a simple present tense. As we have already discussed in simple present tense, is, am, are should be added, and already we know in all the active or passive, passive or active, subject become object, object become subject. In this case, children like sweets. So sweets will come first. As it is a plural form, we are using here are, because V1 is like, so that's why is, am, are can come. We have chosen are because plural is given. Sweets are, and V3 always should be in passive voice it should be V3. So liked. Sweets are liked by children. Then they love music. So music will come first, and then is, am, are should be added. Music is singular, that's why is added. Love become loved, and by they become here them. Here in previous case no need to change. Children remain children. But if you see here, they is given. Here we have to use them. We keep butter. So butter will come first. As it is singular, is will come. Keep become kept, and by should be added. By we become us here. So butter is kept by us. Mice, and if you see here, by is given. By is given means it is a passive voice, because in exam they will never ask you change passive into active or active into passive. They will tell change the voice. So from by word we can understand it is passive voice. So what we have to do, first step will be same, that is subject into object, object into subject. Then what is extra here, because this will be remain V3 in passive voice. So no need to see here, we have to see here this one. R is given, that means we have to remove this R. When we remove this R, then we have to think about caught. Caught V1 we should write. Why we are writing V1? Because here it is simple present tense. How we know it is simple present tense? R word indicates it's a simple present tense. So caught V1 is catch. So cats catch mice. So mice, if you see, it's a plural. So cats catch mice. So if it is cat, then cat catches mice, or mouse if it is singular. Then if you see again, by is given, so it is a plural. This is a passive voice. So how to change passive? First change subject into object, object into subject. Then is written here, remove this is, then written in V1 form. He writes a letter. Next, present continuous tense. You can see in present continuous thing, important thing is continuous word. So ing will be there, and always is present in continuous. Is, am, are will be present here already. So what we have to do is, am, are if it is present, being should be added. And we will start with a song. A song is being, and here if you see, ing is given. So we have to change ing into V3 form. So sing, sang, sung. So we have used here sung in the V3 form. Even though it is ing should not be used, always V3 should be used. So sing becomes sang, sang becomes sung. So a song is being sung by Sita. Next, they are repairing. Ing is there, ing indicate. Is, am, are should be given, are is given here, being should be added. So we will start with bridge. Bridge singular, that's why is. Some student, what they will do, they will see this R and they will write here R only. See that subject, what subject is given here? Subject is given bridge, so that's why we should use is. And being should be added as it is a passive voice. So bridge is being repaired. Ing is changed into V3 form, that is repaired. By they become them. Then next sentence if you see here, by is already given. So by means it is passive voice. So what we have to do? We have to remove this by, subject become object, him become he, is being. So being is the extra word here. The being should be removed. So being if you remove, then he is, and flown. Flown we cannot write. Why? Because we have to use here ing. After is mr, ing should come. So fly, flying. So flying will come here. He is flying a kite. Next is present perfect tense. So perfect word indicates something has been completed. So something has completed means V3 will be there here, and along with has or have, because present is given here. Present means has, have, and V3 will be given here. So someone has stolen my watch. So as usual we'll go for my watch first. Has, and what we have to add here, always in passive voice something should be added. So we have to add here been, as has word is given. So my watch has been stolen. Don't change V3 here. V3 remains V3. By someone. I have eaten pizza. I have eaten pizza. You start with pizza. Here we cannot use have because pizza is singular. So that's why has. Pizza has been, which we have added here. Pizza has been eaten by me, because I becomes me here. Next, if you see, this is by given here. By means passive voice. So opposite we have to do, we have to remove what is extra here, and by should be removed. And as usual we should start with subject become object, object become subject, her becomes she, and we have to remove been. So she has played football. Very easy it is. Again we have to remove by, been we have to remove here. The job has been finished by me, me become I have. Instead of has we have to use have here. Why? Because I will go with have. I have finished the job. If you have understood present tense, then past tense will be very simple. Past tense will take. There we have used V1. Here if you see, this is V2. V2 will be there in simple past tense. So was or were should be added. In previous case we have added is mr. So I caught the thief. So the thief was we have added here. The thief was caught by me. They broke the window. Broke is V2 form. That means it is a past tense. The window was, V3 is broken here. Broke become broken. The window was broken by them. Next, by word is given here. By means it is passive voice. My watch was stolen by these boys. So these boys word is given. So these boys will start with what is extra here. Was is extra. So was we have to remove. And second thing, stolen, it is V3. Was means it is nothing but your past tense. So when past tense is there, we have to use V2. So steal becomes stole, stole becomes stolen. So stolen we have used here because it is passive voice. So its V2 form will be stole. So these boys stole my watch. Next, 2 mangoes were eaten by her. So we have to remove by. We have to what we have to do here, we have to remove were also. Were we have to remove, and by. So her becomes she. Then eaten, eat, ate, eaten. So this is were, was or were means past tense. So we have to use here ate. She ate 2 mangoes. Next one, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means ing will be there, and was or were already will be there here. So I was writing a letter. You have to start with a letter. Was, so being should be added. A letter was being written. This should be changed into V3, right? ing should be changed into V3. So a letter was being written by me. By, and I becomes me. They were playing cricket. So we have to start with cricket. And cricket was. Why we have used was? Because it's singular. Cricket was being. What we have to add here? Being. Because was or were is mr. Being should be added. Was or were also being should be added. Cricket was being played by them. They become them here. Now if you see the next example, by word. By word, as I told you, it indicates it's a passive voice. Same thing should be done, but here we have to go for opposite. That is, we have to remove by and we have to remove extra here. What is extra? Being is extra here. So being and by if you remove, what is left here? Sita was. And always is mr, was, were will go with ing. So sung word is coming from sing. So sing and ing should be added here. So singing. Sita was singing a song. Next, past perfect tense. Perfect means over, and past, in past that activity has been done. So if you see this word, the sentence, they had done their work. So they had done their work means we should start with their work. Had is given, so been should be added. Their work had been done by them. No need to change here. Why? Because already it will be in the V3 form. their work had been done by them. Next, I had completed my work. So my work, you have to start with my work. Had is given, been should be added. So my work had been completed by me. Or you can start with work also, but most probably we should start with my work because my work is given here. Next, by word is given. So that means by should be removed. Extra is been should be removed. Her is given, so we should start with she. She had been removed, so finish directly. She had finished her meal. Next, again by word you can see here. So remove by, been is extra, been is removed. Then as it is we have to write. In previous case we have added ing, all those things. Here no need, very simple it is. Just remain as it is. V3 remains as it is. That's why them become they had beaten. Beaten remains beaten. So what we have removed here, been. So they had beaten him. In simple future tense, will or shall will be used. Shall always, shall it is not compulsory we should use with I or we only. Will also we can use, but let us see, shall we will take with we. We shall or we will pardon her. So shall or will indicate it is a future tense. So will or shall when it is given we have to add be here. So her becomes she will. Why we are using will, why not shall? Because I and we only shall we should use, whereas for other subject we should use will. So she will be pardoned, as we have to use V3. Pardon becomes pardoned by us. We become us here. They will help us. Us become we. And will we can use or shall also. So we shall be. Be is added here. Helped. V3 is helped. We shall be helped by us. Football will be played by her. So by word is given, that means it is a passive voice. Remove this by, remove this be, and we played. Played means it is V3. So V3 should be changed into V1. Why? Because will always, if you see the previous example, will help, shall pardon, V1. It always goes with V1. So here played word becomes a play. So she will play football. The money will be arranged by them. Remove by, remove be, and them becomes they. They will arrange the money. Next, future perfect tense, if you see, that means completed action, have, and then V3 will be there. I shall have written the letter. So the letter, you have to start with the letter. Will have. Been should be added here. Why been should be added? Have or has, whenever it is given, been should be added. A letter will have been written by me. I become me here. The patient will have taken medicine. So we should start with medicine. So medicine will have been should be added. The medicine will have been taken by the patient. Now if you see the next example, by word is given here. When by word is given, it's a passive voice. Remove by, remove been. So what it will become, and will is given, so it should be changed into V1. He will have helped me. Why me is coming here? I become me. He will have helped me. V, not V1. Sorry, I told V1 here. It should remain V3. Why? Because have will go with V3. So he will have helped me. Next sentence is a special sentence. If a long sentence is given to you, then how to change into passive voice? So here trick is 1, 2, 3, 4 trick. If the 4 words like subject is given, helping verb is given, ing is there, and object is given, or subject this one verb is given and something, and object is given, but something is added, that something should be kept aside. Why? Because directly we can add to that one. Like I was playing cricket, so cricket we can start was, being should be added, because was or were is given, being should be added. Cricket was being, playing become played by me. I become me. So cricket was being played by me. And what is the rest of the sentence? In the college on Thursday. So in the college on Thursday, it will be as it is. Next video, 2 videos will be there on voice. One by one I will post. Thank you for listening patiently.